All right. Hi, everybody. Hope you're all having a good weekend. We're finishing up our weekend with our two hobby boxes of WWE NXT 2021. We are looking for 2 autographs per box, so 4 autographs total. Some of these also will have parallels in them, and usually a couple packs will have purple parallels. For each card, because this is a combined set, some of the cards are going to have matches as features, and some are going to have superstars. The superstars, of course, will go to who won them. The matches are going to go who won that match on that card. If it was not a match or somebody clearly winning, we will randomize that at the end of the break. Just before we start our packs, we'll go through our participants for tonight. All right, so we got Casey G with the Undisputed Era, Sean C with Aaliyah Group, Chuck L with The Way, John W with Imperium, and also the Bronson Reed Group, Sean C with the Danny Burch Group, Casey G with the Dave Mastiff Group, Sean G with Brazango, Io Shirai, and the Santos Escobar Groups, John W with Jake Atlas Group, Brandon J with the Karrion Kross Group, Sean C with the Kaylee Ray, Pete Dunne, Swerve Scott, and Tommaso Ciampa Groups, Luis A with the Tegan Knox Group, Casey G with the Angel Garza Group, Sean C with the Bianca Belair Group, Casey G with the Riddick Moss Group, and Sean C with the Flash Morgan Webster Group. We will try to get you some shotsies there, Lewis. All right, so as usual, if anybody's a rookie, they will be in sleeves. Any hits, we're going to be in sleeves and top loaders. Everything will be out in tomorrow's mail. And will be in bubble mailers and team bags for everything. So we'll open our first box. Good luck, everybody. Here's our packs. Empty box. And our first pack of the night. And we start off with Imperium, Timothy Thatcher. Here's one of the purple parallels for Akira Tozawa. There's Swerve Scott, Fandango, and Adam Cole. One more, Brizango. Here we have the Broserweight, so we'll actually randomize that between Pete Dunne and Riddle. Brazango. There's our one of our purple parallels for Johnny Gargano. Bronson Reed. Malcolm Bivens. Damian Priest. And Johnny Gargano. All right, next pack. Here we have Tommaso Ciampa, Johnny Gargano, Danny Burch, Finn Balor. We have our first artist drawing of Timothy Thatcher. These are mixed media illustrated cards. Oni Lorcan and Danny Burch. And Finn Balor. Here at Brazango, Damian Priest, Zach Gibson of the Grizzled Young Veterans, Scarlet. There's one of our Finn Balor inserts, Johnny Gargano. This one will randomize between Adam Cole and Finn Balor as it was a tie. I got Johnny Gargano, Drake Maverick, rookie card of Arturo Ruas, Tyler Breeze, insert Damian Priest. There's another Damian Priest, and Pete Dunne. Next pack. Damian Priest, Kushida. There's a purple of Keith Lee, Adam Cole, rookie card for Indy Hartwell, Adam Cole, and Roderick Strong. Next pack, we have Keith Lee. Another Keith Lee. Purple for Karrion Kross. Noam Dar. Kaylee Ray. Dexter Lumis and Cameron Grimes. We will randomize that one. And Karrion Kross. Still looking for our 2 autographs. Here we have Kyle O'Reilly, Santos Escobar, a purple of Akira Tozawa, Jesse Kamea, Dexter Lumis, another Dexter Lumis, and the Legado del Fantasma. Next pack. We got Leon Ruff, Dexter Lumis, Aaliyah, Walter, There's our second Finn Balor insert. Tommaso Ciampa. And Damian Priest. Here we have Imperium. Santos Escobar as El Hijo del Fantasma. Matt Martell. Casey Catanzaro. There's our first signature of the night. Tommaso Ciampa. If you can see in there, it is numbered 20 of 50. So that one's going to Sean. We got Kushida. And Johnny Gargano. There's our Ciampa autograph. Here we have Kushida, Bronson Reed, a purple of Dexter Lumis, Santos Escobar, Xia Li, Santos Escobar, and Riddle. Next pack, we got Bronson Reed, Keith Lee, Ashanti the Adonis, Candice LeRae, Finn Balor insert, Adam Cole, and Swerve Scott. We start off with Karrion Kross, Akira Tozawa, a purple of Karrion Kross, Fabian Eichner, Karrion Kross. The Broserweights, we will randomize that between the two, and Finn Balor. Here we have Akira Tozawa, Johnny Gargano, Piper Niven, Tyler Bate. There we have in one of the mixed media drawings of Kushida, Karrion Kross, and Finn Balor. All right, our next pack. We have Kyle O'Reilly, Keith Lee, a purple of Karrion Kross, Caden Carter, Raquel Gonzalez, Jake Atlas, and Santos Escobar. And here we have Kushida, Santos Escobar, Timothy Thatcher, Oni Lorcan, insert of Shayna Baszler, Keith Lee, and Finn Balor. Here we have Dexter Lumis, Cameron Grimes, a purple of Keith Lee, Kyle O'Reilly, Joaquin Wilde, Santos Escobar, and Undisputed Era. All right, this is the last pack of our first box. We should have our second autograph in here. Damian Priest, Oni Lorcan, and Danny Burch. And there's our second autograph of Walter, numbered 195 out of 250. So that one's going to John W. Dakota Kai, Austin Theory, Johnny Gargano, and Damian Priest. There's our second one. So we'll do our second box. There's our packs, our empty box. Nothing hiding in there. All right. With our first pack of our second box, we got Karrion Kross, Akira Tozawa, a purple of Oni Lorcan and Danny Burch, a blue of Keith Lee. This one is numbered 6 out of 50. Io Shirai, Marcel Bartel, and Finn Balor. All right, the 1 out of 50, that one's going to Casey. Here we have Akira Tozawa, Johnny Gargano, a purple of Kushida, Raul Mendoza, Tony Storm, Karrion Kross, and Finn Balor. All right, we got Keith Lee, Karrion Kross, Shotzi Blackheart, Roderick Strong, Angel Garza, Leon Ruff, and Karrion Kross. Here we got Keith Lee, Dexter Lumis, a purple for Bronson Reed, Kushida, Flash Morgan Webster, Imperium, and Karrion Kross. Karrion Kross. This one we will randomize as it's Roderick Strong and Danny Burch winning. Here's an autograph. Tyler Breeze. This one is 246 out of 250. So that one's going to Sean. Drake Maverick. Cameron Grimes. Cameron Grimes. And Dexter Lumis. Next pack, we have Dexter Lumis, Cameron Grimes, purple Cameron Grimes, Trent Seven, a rookie of Sarov, Undisputed Era, and Johnny Gargano. All right, next pack. We got Damian Priest, Oney Lorcan, and Danny Burch. A purple for Damian Priest, Robert Stone, Marina Shafir, Damian Priest, and Santos Escobar. Next pack, we have Kushida, Bronson Reed, rookie card for Jake Atlas, Dave Mastiff rookie card. There's one of our drawings for Migs Media. This one of Santos Escobar, Riddle, and Adam Cole. All right, next pack. And we have Bronson Reed, Keith Lee, Bobby Fish, a rookie card for Ilya Dragunov, a Finn Balor insert, Swerve Scott, and the Broserweights, which we will randomize. All right, next pack. Tommaso Ciampa, Johnny Gargano, Dakota Kai, Austin Theory, Keith Lee, Finn Balor, and Johnny Gargano. All right, next pack we have Breezango, Damian Priest, a purple for Santos Escobar, Xia Li, Adam Cole and Finn Balor, which we'll randomize, and Adam Cole. Damian Priest, Kushida, a purple for Dexter Lumis, rookie of Ashante the Adonis, Candice LeRae, Roderick Strong, Jake Atlas, and that is it for that pack. All right, next pack we have Kyle O'Reilly, Keith Lee, Fabian Eichner, Karrion Kross, Finn Balor insert, Santos Escobar, and Keith Lee. Next pack we have Kushida, Santos Escobar, rookie card of Piper Niven, Tyler Bate. There's a next autograph of Casey Catanzaro. This one's numbered 47 out of 99. So that one's going, just have to see my list, to Sean. So we got Finn Balor and Santos Escobar. right, next pack we have Legado del Fantasma, Damian Priest, purple Bronson Reed, Pete Dunne, Tommaso Ciampa, Damian Priest, and Karrion Kross. All right, next pack we have The Way, Imperium, Tegan Knox, rookie card for Ridge Holland, Finn Balor insert, Breezango, and Jake Atlas. Next pack, Keith Lee, Timothy Thatcher, a purple for Keith Lee, Killian Dane, Johnny Gargano. So this one will randomize between Tommaso Ciampa and Johnny Gargano, and Karrion Kross. And then this is our last pack of the night. And then we got a couple cards to randomize. We got Drake Maverick, Roderick Strong, James Drake, Chase Parker rookie card, a drawing of Cameron Grimes, Imperium, and Finn Balor. All right, let me move these out of the way while we get ready to randomize a couple cards. If anybody's interested, next week we are going to be doing a break of the new Upper Deck set for AEW, as well as 90 packs of, and I believe it's 2009 Impact. So we won't have any WWE break next week. It's going to be just AEW and Impact. Those are already up for auction. And that'll be next Sunday night. First card to randomize, we do between Tommaso Ciampa and Johnny Gargano. Odds for Ciampa, even for Gargano. Odds, so that one will go to Tommaso Ciampa. Here we got Adam Cole and Finn Balor. Odds for Adam Cole, evens for Finn Balor. And it's odd, so that'll go to Adam Cole. This one will do odds for Riddle, even for Pete Dunne. Even, so that one will go to Pete Dunne. Here, odds for Roderick Strong, even for Danny Burch. Even, so that'll be Danny Burch. Same here, odds for Riddle, even for Pete Dunne. So that'll go to Pete Dunne. Here, odds for Dexter Lumis, even for Cameron Grimes. Odds, so that'll be Lumis. Here, Adam Cole and Finn Balor, so odds for Cole, even for Balor. So that'll be Adam Cole. And last one will be odds for Dunne, even for Riddle. And that one's going for Riddle. So congratulations, everyone. Like I said, everything will be out in tomorrow's mail. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate joining us. Have a good night, and hopefully we'll see you next week.